But if I had to describe our project in my own terms, I would say a new alternative. A new alternative.
Okay.
A third position. We are a third position. We try to remove ourselves from the noise of just the duality of options and put ourselves in a third position. What does that entail? That does entail we fully recognize that we are Afrikaners and we like to preserve our heritage and continue being. And we fully recognize that new options needs to be explored, that the cliche politics that we are stuck in is not going to solve anything. And thirdly, I think is the most interesting thing, and that is what we call the principle of own labor.
The principle of own labor.
Own labor.
Self-reliance.
Yeah, self-reliance. In South Africa, the political situation for the past 150 years has been dictated by labor policy. The need for industrialization, farming, forestry, and those things wanted as many as possible, as a large as possible growth in the black population for the reason of cheap labor. That is still the reality in South Africa. Only Orania as a community, as a collective said, we will not exploit people just as laborers. Orania says, we will do our own work.